You saw Rosie and now she's gone. In the frame that we had, there wasn't room for more than 3 of us. So
it's brutal.
Rosie and I are going to be moving out the way. Jazzy's here on the floor playing with my skirts.
Pop is somewhere.
Yeah, exactly. It's one of those days here at the office today. But I will start by saying what I'm going to do.
This is all about vintage dreaming, right?
So, yeah, actually, let's do a proper intro. Alma, please do a proper intro.
So, today, in the midst of the chaos, we are coming on to talk to you about some vintage dreaming theme makes that we're planning. So, we're all obsessed with the new ebook, as hopefully lots of you are out there as well. So, we've all picked some patterns and some fabrics that we're going to make our version in. I've already made something because I couldn't help myself. So I had this fabric that I bought at the Stitch Festival, and the second I saw the Marilyn blouse, I was like, perfect match. It's cotton lawn, which is perfect for Marilyn. And so yeah, I just made this up very quickly, and I love it so much.
It goes so well with your trousers.
These are the pink Peggy trousers, which are great. It goes well with high-waisted skirts as well. I've got some proper vintage trousers that it goes amazingly with. So yeah, Marilyn blouse gets big thumbs up from me. But now to future plans.
Thank you, segueing in. So I will do my bit and then I will switch out with Rosie. So I did the sew along for the Marilyn blouse in a lovely gingham. And so what I was thinking, inspired by Sarah Body, one of our pattern insiders, is to do a matching Marilyn skirt in gingham, and then you could wear them together. It would feel like a dress. You could wear them apart. You'd have like all those options.
So many outfits.
Yeah, very clever. So yeah. However, if it works really well, so I was thinking, so I basically made it in black gingham, and we've also got navy gingham as well, if anyone's interested. And we don't have masses of black gingham, but I'm going to get some more in. Nice. But then I thought if it worked really well, which I think it will, I could make it out of these two. Now I'm holding these fabric. Rosie, it's look weird how I'm holding these fabrics.
No, that's fine.
So yeah, one of these as well, because I think these are really lovely, and I could do exactly the same kind of vibe. Make 2 of them. Yeah. As in make the top and as separates.
And it's
so these are cotton lawns, but they're really drapey. They're lovely,
buttery.
Yeah, they are. They're closer to. They're almost like viscose, I would say.
What are they called again?
This is Spring Blossom in black navy, and we've got it in cream also.
Beautiful.
Loads of options. Really nice.
I'm going to jump out because I think Jasmine is about ready to gate crash. So that's what I'm planning on making.
And Rosie's back.
Ta-da!
Like magic.
Shall I dive in?
Yeah. What are you wearing?
Also, yes.
Yeah. Oh, this is another of my Bilberry t-shirt dresses, which I made in the winter and wore loads with tights and boots, and now they are actually perfect for warm weather.
So
chuck on, good for the day.
So nice.
Thanks very much.
Jersey as well.
Yeah.
That looks lovely.
Some very nice stripe matching.
There is a little error in this dress, in that I didn't cut it out very well.
Did you not?
But you can't really tell.
No.
It looks
So I would say if your stripe matching goes a bit awry, just wear it anyway. I still do.
Looks perfect.
But onto my makes. I'm thinking, I feel like the vintage ebook has taken me back in time to when I first started sewing. And I used to, I think quite a lot of us when we first start sewing, you sort of get into the slightly vintage look because it's pretty dresses. Exactly. Yeah, you can't necessarily find them in the shops. So you're like, oh my goodness, I can finally sew all these dresses I've been thinking of. And I've not done that for a while, and I wanted to go back and make a really pretty dress.
Yes.
So I'm going to make the Miriam Bodice, so strappy bodice. I'm going to make the version with the thick straps, so I know don't have to worry about bras and things like that.
Nice.
I like the look of thick straps.
Exactly. Yeah. Sometimes it looks a little nicer for balance or whatever you're making. But I'm going to go for one of the Marilyn skirts.
Yes. So similar to what Janine is wearing in the photo shoot, right?
Yeah, I think I will do that version with gathered. Big pockets.
Yes.
Hopefully have something nice in the summer to go to, wear it cocktail in hand.
Yes.
That's the plan.
Oh, amazing.
And then fabric wise, I'm going all out so over it. So these are 2 of our new designs. Well, this is an old favourite, elderflower press, that's come back on a cotton poplin. Beautiful. So I'm between elderflower press and the Midnight Rose.
I think that's beautiful. I mean, you're not called Rosie. I'm just going to say that.
true.
So.
Oh, I was
If we
leaning
go in
towards
proper-
Elderflower Plus, but now it might go the other way. So yeah, I'm genuinely undecided.
It's going to be so pretty.
But
It'd be
either-
nice either way.
Yeah.
Yeah, go full out pretty
vintage.
girly dress.
Yeah.
Vintage, maybe wear some heels.
Yes.
Big hair.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm loving
We
this.
will
Can't
see.
wait to see it.
yeah. It'd be nice to make
Amazing.
something. I haven't actually sewn something a bit more involved.
Yeah, and
For a little while, I usually make like little quick t-shirt dresses. And
Yeah,
stuff,
yeah,
so
yeah.
looking forward to.
Although you did
sitting
make
down.
a Sorrento jacket recently.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
not
yeah, that was
exactly.
a lot.
Yeah.
That's a very good.
That was
point.
different
Not
vibe,
exactly
though.
off the
It would
Yeah.
go really well
Yeah, with either.
with the big dress.
Yeah, that's true. Because it's kind of chocolate.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
yeah.
Goes with
Perfect.
everything.
Sure,
Yeah.
Nice.
So yeah, that is my plan.
Love it.
Perfect.
Jemima, what are you wearing?
I am
Before we go any
wearing my Libby shirt, which I made a few years ago. It was one of the first things, I was saying this to Alma this morning, one of the first things that I made when I started sewing. And for some reason I went with this Georgette crepe fabric, which is great for the Libby shirt, but terrible for a
a beginner.
beginner
So
dress.
easy.
And a shirt with a tricky collar.
With the tricky collar, I know.
I'm so impressed.
I did not know what I was doing, but I'm really glad that I persevered with it.
That's amazing.
Because I actually still wear it a lot, but it was, at the time, it was a nightmare. It was
Oh.
so slippery and it would not press. But it's fine, it was worth it.
It's
It's lasted.
brilliant.
Thank you, I like it. The only change I would definitely make more, and I think we all agree on this, is just to make it like a little bit longer, just to make it
Yeah.
a bit easier to.
I think I like
in.
shirts tucked in or
Exactly.
like this tied up. So I think, yeah, I would do that. But that looks
It's
amazing.
super easy to wear, great for summer. So I like it.
Nice.
And I am going to make a Vera dress
Ooh.
from the new ebook.
Nice.
And there's lots of different options.
Yeah, what
so I'm going to
do you
hone in.
wear? Like colour,
But yeah,
sleeves,
colour, sleeves, length, everything.
So I'm going to go no collar,
Mhm.
colour.
but the floaty, the shorter sleeves.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think if I did the
fleeted,
collar as well, it's a little bit too much for
What's
me.
going on?
Mhm.
Okay.
But I think without the collar, but with the sleeves is cool.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to do it full length because I'm really into long dresses at the moment.
Yes. Oh,
Yeah.
it's going to be beautiful. Like
like
elegant.
summery midi.
I think,
Kinda-
all the way probably down. I think
Oh,
because
nice.
Because I'm a little bit short, I think the way that the pattern falls, it will end up being quite long on me.
Amazing.
So yeah,
I
the
love
fabric.
fabric.
I'm choosing at the minute between these two. So this is our scattered spots in navy, and we've got it in. We had it in teal. It's just sold out, but we've got it in the red as well that was used for the sample, and it's so lovely and soft. And I absolutely love this colour. I think it's really, really nice.
Beautiful.
So that's a contender. And then there's also this Midnight Botanical, which I've had my eye on for ages.
It's
We
very you.
always
I
had
know
it
that's what you're
on.
wearing.
It's quite me, and I feel like I've been waiting for the right thing.
Oh,
And
is
this
this
could be
it?
it. I
Is
don't
this
know.
it?
I don't know.
I absolutely love
So
it.
I'm still torn. I'm not sure, but yeah, one of these two, I think.
Very nice.
Nice choices.
I'm very excited to see everyone's project. So what I've decided to do, I think, is the Miriam set. So the jacket and the dress, because it's the kind of thing that I think looks stunning. I loved the samples from both Lisa and Chantel. I wouldn't normally make something like that for myself.
Yeah.
Because I don't know where I would go with it.
But it's kind of an excuse to.
But exactly, that's what I
Be
thought.
really
I'm going to
indulgent.
make it and I'm going to go
Just
to my
wear
local
it.
cafe. And
Yeah.
who cares? Because I love it. I think it's so chic and like it will make me feel like I'm in a film or in Mrs. Maisel, which is who the pattern was inspired by. So I'll just putter around West London pretending that my life is very, very fabulous. And it will be once I have a Miriam set. But so Miriam works with cotton very, very well,
Yeah.
which is nice.
Which is great.
For a change. Because I feel
Always
like
a
everything
winner.
I make is always like floaty and tricky fabric, but in the ebook there's a lot of cotton, so brilliant, big fan.
You're looking quite
I-
fruity with your selection.
Very much on the fruity side. So one contender is this cotton or cotton linen? I'm not even
No, it's
sure.
cotton.
Cotton. Oh,
Yeah.
it's really, really lovely. All the lemons? No.
Petite lemon.
Petite lemon.
Petite lemons.
So summery.
Yeah.
So cute.
Very
Very vintage.
you.
I think. And very.
You like a lemon.
I love a lemon. I think I have a lemon garment for every season of the year, so this could happen. I think it would look really,
It would.
really fresh and summery in the Miriam
Yeah.
set.
Yeah.
Really cute. Or we have some watermelons because the fruit salad theme continues. I
That's another
absolutely love
cotton,
this.
isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a nice and sturdy cotton. I think
This
it
is
will
a
work very
poplin,
well
yeah.
for it. Poplin, there you go. It will work very well. It will hold the shape for the jacket and the dress very well. I have a few watermelon garments already. Yeah, I do. I'm a big fan of the fruit. So yeah, this is a very
I
strong
think this will
contender.
look cool. I can see this with like sunglasses.
Well, yeah.
And
And my little dog, I have a new puppy. I have to get it in, sorry. I have a new puppy called Roy, and he's a dachshund, and he is getting matching outfits to mine.
Yes.
So I feel like that whole vibe goes with the Miriam set. And finally, another contender, not fruity, but fruity colours, I feel.
Yeah.
not nearly fruity.
Ooh, so soft.
Like that could be a mango. It's just a flower, but it could, if I wanted to, it's a mango. And it's called
Watercolor gardens.
Watercolor Gardens.
This is a little bit drapier.
This is
yeah.
drapier, slightly less, definitely less structured than the watermelons, but with interfacing and all of that, it will be fine for the jacket. And the jacket is lined as well, so
Lined, and you can always back the jacket on something a bit more
there you
stable
go.
if you've got something a bit floatier.
if it's too much. But this is beautiful and incredibly summery again. So yeah, 3 very strong contenders. We'll see how I get on.
Exciting. Well,
So yeah.
we will be back in a couple of weeks,
Yeah.
giving ourselves 2 weeks.
Yeah,
to
I
make
think
these
we
up.
need it for these ones.
But we're also going to do another video on more about fabric specifically for the ebook, a bit of a deep dive into what you can make each different garment out of. So we'll be back next week with that. But otherwise, we'll see you
With lots
a
of
couple of
lovely
weeks.
dresses, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I can
It
do it,
feels different
yeah.
for us. Yeah.
very
You know.
different. Very dressed up. And we should just, we'll have them
Should
come
we
into
go
the
for
office.
Should we go big?
Go big.
Go fancy?
And then we go downstairs and have a coffee all dressed up. Why not?
So
Why not?
fancy.
And this will be in good company.
Yeah.
We'll be all the slightly eccentric ladies from upstairs having our flat white. But yeah, I look forward to that.
Me too.
Brilliant.
Cool.
Well, see you then.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.